Introducing QloApps Hold Lock Rooms, an add-on that lets you reserve one or more rooms for a customer. Once a room is on hold, it remains hidden from other customers for a selected time duration. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. We are now on the QloApps admin panel. From here, you can install the module by clicking on the Add a New Module button. I have already installed the module, so let's move on to the configuration part. For this, click on the Configure button. On the configuration page, the first option you'll see is Lock Period. This is used to set the duration for which the room will be locked for the customer. Once this time expires, the locked room quantity will be restored and the room will become available for other customers. You can also set the minimum booking days and maximum booking days required to lock a room. Additionally, you can configure the maximum locked rooms limit. When you enable the room lock fee, the customer will be charged an additional fee for locking the room. The lead days option represents the number of days in advance a customer must book to lock a room. When you enable Display Lock button on room type, the customer will be able to lock a room directly from the room type page. When you enable Display Lock button on checkout page, the customer will be able to lock a room from the checkout page as well. I'll show you how it looks on both the room type page and the checkout page. Here you can see how it appears. On the checkout page, there is a button to lock or unlock a room for the selected time duration. Now I'll show you how it looks on the room type page. You can see there is a button to lock a room. First, select the time duration and then click on the Lock Selected Room button. A pop-up will appear. Click on the Lock Selected Room button again. As you can see, the room is now locked for the selected time duration. Now let's go back to the admin panel. Here you can see a new tab named Lock Room. In this section, you can view the complete list of locked rooms, and you can also lock a room for a customer by clicking on this button. Search for the customer, select the hotel, search for the room, then select the check-in and check-out dates. After that, enter the room quantity and click on Save. Here you can see that 2 rooms are locked for the selected customer, and you can also configure the settings for a particular hotel. I'll show you how. Go to the hotel reservation system and click on Manage Hotel. Then click on the Edit button, and you will see a new tab named Locking Room. You can also enable or disable lock booking for this hotel. When you enable lock booking, several options will appear, such as Use Global Minimum Booking Days, Use Global Maximum Booking Days, Use Global Maximum Quantity, Use Global Lock Fee, and Use Global Days for Lock. When you enable these options, the customer will be able to lock rooms according to the global lock room configuration. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.